The gleaming showroom stood as a beacon of luxury and modern design in the heart of the bustling city. Its sleek glass walls reflected the vibrant energy of the urban streets outside, creating an inviting aura that drew passers-by inside. The building itself was an architectural marvel, with sharp, clean lines and a contemporary facade that hinted at the treasures within. The name, Bajaj Avenger 400 Showroom, was elegantly displayed on the exterior, etched in bold metallic letters, glowing softly against the polished surface of the building. It was a sight to behold, promising an experience that blended innovation, power, and style. As visitors stepped through the large glass doors, they were greeted by an atmosphere of sheer sophistication. The interior was meticulously designed to exude elegance. Polished marble floors stretched across the expansive space, their pristine white surface reflecting the soft, ambient lighting. The lighting was a work of art in itself, carefully placed to highlight key features of the showroom. Warm tones created a welcoming environment, while bright spotlights directed attention to the centerpiece of the room. In the center of the showroom, on a sleek, raised platform, stood the Bajaj Avenger 400, a true masterpiece of engineering and design. The platform was designed to draw the eye, with subtle, illuminated accents that framed the motorcycle without overwhelming its presence. The Avenger 400 stood tall and proud, its gleaming metallic finish shimmering under the lights. Every curve and contour of the bike's body seemed to tell a story of power, precision, and elegance. The motorcycle's design was a perfect balance of modernity and classic cruiser aesthetics. Its long, low-slung frame exuded a sense of stability and comfort, while the sharp edges and refined details hinted at its performance capabilities. The bike's large fuel tank bore the iconic Bajaj logo, a mark of quality and innovation that resonated with enthusiasts and riders alike. Its wide, cushioned seat invited thoughts of long, comfortable journeys, while the handlebars, slightly raised, added to its commanding presence. Behind the platform, a massive illuminated sign on the wall proudly displayed the name, Bajaj Avenger 400. The letters were bold and stylish, with a metallic finish that matched the premium feel of the motorcycle itself. This wasn't just a display, it was a statement. It told everyone in the room that the Avenger 400 was not merely a machine, it was a symbol of freedom, adventure, and individuality. Around the central display, the showroom offered a carefully curated selection of other premium motorcycles. Each bike was positioned with precision, ensuring that every visitor had the opportunity to appreciate their unique designs without detracting from the star of the show. The arrangement was seamless, creating a flow that guided visitors through the space while keeping their focus on the Avenger 400. The showroom's walls were adorned with subtle yet impactful design elements. Framed images of motorcycles on rugged terrains, open highways, and scenic landscapes lined the sides, inspiring visions of adventure and exploration. Small screens embedded in the walls played videos showcasing the Avenger 400 in action, its smooth ride on winding mountain roads, its power on straight highways, and its agility in urban settings. These visual elements added depth to the experience, allowing visitors to see the bike not just as a product but as a gateway to thrilling experiences. The atmosphere was alive with the hum of excitement. Visitors, ranging from seasoned riders to curious newcomers, moved through the showroom, their eyes lighting up as they took in every detail. Conversations buzzed as enthusiasts discussed the bike's specifications, design, and potential for customization. Staff members, dressed in sleek uniforms that matched the showroom's aesthetic, were on hand to provide information, answer questions, and share their passion for the brand. Their enthusiasm was infectious, adding a personal touch to the luxury experience. One of the standout features of the showroom was its interactive zone, where visitors could engage with the Avenger 400 in unique ways. A virtual reality station allowed users to take a virtual test ride, experiencing the thrill of the bike's power and smooth handling as they navigated through various terrains. Nearby, a customization kiosk offered the chance to experiment with different color options, accessories, and finishes, giving customers a glimpse of how they could make the bike truly their own. The expansive glass walls of the showroom provided a stunning backdrop. Beyond them, the cityscape stretched out, its lights twinkling like stars against the evening sky. This connection between the urban environment and the world of motorcycles created a dynamic interplay that resonated with the spirit of the Avenger 400. It was a bike designed for the modern rider, someone who navigates the complexities of city life but longs for the open road. Every detail of the showroom was designed to enhance the experience. From the subtle scent of leather and polished metal that filled the air to the carefully selected background music that added a sense of energy and sophistication, nothing was left to chance. It wasn't just a place to showcase a product, it was an immersive environment that celebrated the art of motorcycling. As visitors explored the space, they couldn't help but imagine themselves on the Bajaj Avenger 400. The bike's powerful engine, smooth ride, and striking design made it easy to envision long journeys, whether cruising along coastal highways, winding through mountain passes, or simply enjoying the freedom of the open road. It was more than a motorcycle, it was a promise of adventure, a companion for those who dared to dream big and live boldly. The Bajaj Avenger 400 showroom was more than a display of engineering excellence, it was a celebration of a lifestyle. It captured the essence of what it meant to be a rider, the thrill of the journey, the joy of exploration, and the freedom to chart one's own path. Every element, from the luxurious design of the space to the impeccable presentation of the bike, worked together to create an experience that was both aspirational and attainable. For those who stepped into the showroom, it wasn't just about seeing the Bajaj Avenger 400, it was about feeling its presence, understanding its potential, and envisioning the adventures that awaited. As they left the showroom, many with brochures in hand and dreams in their hearts, one thing was clear: the Bajaj Avenger 400 wasn't just a motorcycle. It was an invitation to embark on the journey of a lifetime.